Okay, so to do arc length, this is arc length. I want to know how far it is from here to here. Notice that this little piece, this is the part, and the circle, all the way, the distance all the way around, that's the whole. Well, the whole distance around is the circumference, which is 2 pi r. Okay, so here's what you would do. You're going to set it up this way every time. This is the formula for it. You're going to do the angle over 360. So that's part. I'm going to talk about this 40-degree part of the whole 360 equals the arc, this part right here, x, over the whole circle, which is 2 pi r. Okay, the part of the angle over the whole, all of the angles, the part of the circle over the whole circle. So when you set this up, then you'll do 40 degrees over 360 degrees equals x over 2 times pi times 5. So now you just type it into your calculator like this. 40 times 2 times pi times 5. And you get that number right there. 1256.6 equals 360x. I cross multiplied. That's what I did to get that. Okay, I did this right here. And then you would divide this number right here by 360. You could also type in 1256.6 and divide by 360, and you get 3.5. So all the way around, if we type that in just out of curiosity, all the way around is 31.4. That's how far it is all the way around the circle. So part of the way, this much, is 3.5. Now, we're going to do the same thing with sector area. So when you get to sector area, you'll do the same process. Again, it's the similar equation, except for what we're talking about is now area. If I want to know this shaded in piece, then I'm going to do the angle over 360. How much of the circle I'm talking about out of 360 degrees, and how much of the circle I'm talking about out of the whole area. Notice the difference. This was the whole distance around the circle, which is circumference. This is the whole area. Okay, they're different. So you would plug the numbers in. 40 over 360 equals x over pi, and the radius was 5r squared. Again, we cross multiply. That's why we like to set it up like this, because it makes it really easy to set up and always remember to do it this way. So 40 times pi times 5 squared is 3141.6 equals 360x. Divide by 360, and you get that x is 8.7. Okay, so it's part of the angle over the whole angle, which is 360 degrees for a circle, and then it's the part of the sector, the arc length or the sector area over the whole. So it would be the area of the sector over the whole area, or the length of the arc over the whole length all the way around the circle. So that's how you do arc length, and that's how you do sector area.